Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. My name is Umar bin Abdullah and I will be presenting the methodology for my final year project, that is the reliability and validity of 1 minute snatch test among the varsity athletes in UPSI. So the strength and conditioning coaches in the UPSI are doing 1 minute snatch test using barbell towards the varsity athlete in the UPSI. However, there are limited sources and research regarding to this title. So this study is to examine the reliability and validity of the test. So the next slide is the research design. I'm using quantitative experimental design, and it's involving 2 sessions of testing that are only 2 weeks of period. For the reliability, I'm using test retest method that are only 2 weeks of period. For the validity, I'm using motion analysis through measuring the velocity of the movement snatch itself. And the second one is physiological measurement through blood lactate level after they perform the 1 minute snatch test. So for the participant, the first one is age gap. I will be focusing on varsity athletes that are 18 to 24 years old, and they need to be able to perform snatch test perfectly. The second one is quantity. I'm aiming for 10 to 15 subjects among the varsity athletes. And for physical condition, the subject must be free from any injuries to prevent error while collecting the data. For the procedure, at the reliability testing, I'm using test retest method, 2 weeks of period. They will be performed the test at Block 6, Faculty of Sports Science and Coaching, and they will be perform 1 minute snatch test with maximum effort for the first week, and then they will do the same thing at the second week. The result of the repetition done in 1 minute will be recorded. Intra-class correlation coefficient (ICC) will be used to assess both result first week and second week to see the consistency. Therefore, reliability will be measured. The second one is validity testing. 2 methods will be used to test this validity of the test. The first one is power testing. 2 device will be used, that is position transducer and quick VBT apps, to measure the velocity of the test itself. So the second one is aerobic strength endurance testing. Blood lactate analysis will be done on the subject to see their blood lactate after performing the 1 minute snatch test. The blood sample will be taken before and 3 minutes after the test. For the data analysis, reliability in interclass correlation coefficient (ICC) used to analyze the consistency of the repetition done in both weeks. For validity, power validity will be determined by both of the device I've said just now, and the second one is aerobic strength will be assessed by examining the blood lactate pre and post test. Thank you very much.